Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Academia Ambala. So, students, our topic for today is nouns, number, like singular and plural, one and many. So, what is singular? A noun that stands for only one person, animal, place, or thing is said to be in the singular number. For example, boy, bird, apple. These are all examples of singular numbers. A noun that stands for more than one person, animal, place, or thing is said to be in the plural number. Examples, boys, birds, apples. So these are the examples of singular and plural. You can see the pictures also. Since class 1 you are doing one and many, but in this class you will do it with some rules. So let's start with first rule. Most of the nouns you are making them plural by using S. For example, I'll give you a few examples here, like book, books. Here we are using S to make it plural. Pencil, pencils. Kite, kites. Bag, bags. Most of the nouns we change them into plural by using S. So this is your first rule. Now the second rule, add es to the nouns ending in S, Z, CH, X, TCH, O, double S and SH. So few examples of this rule are like bus, buses, tax, taxes, bench, benches, dish, dishes. Here we are using es to make them plural. So this is your rule number 2. Now the third rule, this is very important. When a noun is ending with Y, but you have to remember that before Y there should be a consonant. Then we change Y into I and we use IES to make the noun plural. I'll give you a few examples here. Like lady, ladies, LADY. Here you can see the noun is ending with Y, but before Y there is a consonant. But if there is a vowel before Y, then we do not change Y into IS, then we use S. Next example is fry, fries, FRIES. You have to remove Y. Now the next rule is when a noun ends with a F or FE, then we change this F and FE into VES. We remove F or FE and use VES to make the noun plural. These are the examples of this rule. Calf, calves, CALF. Now we will remove F here and then we will use CALVES. We have used VES instead of F. Knife, knives. So these are the examples of singular and plural. But in English there are some exceptions also. Like here the noun is ending with double O and we are using S to make it plural. And like kangaroo, kangaroos. Potato, potatoes. Some nouns do not change at all when we make them plural, like sheep, sheep. There is no change in singular and plural. Both are same. Sheep, sheep. Next example is deer, deer. Like hair, hair. Furniture, furniture. So there are some nouns which are singular and plural. Both are same. Some nouns became a new word when we make them plural. Example, man, men. Instead of A, we are using E to make it plural. Goose, geese. GOOSE, goose and GEESE, geese. So these are the examples of singular and plural. Here we do not follow any rule, but they change. Now there are some words where there are no singulars. We use them in plural form, like spectacles. We don't say spectacle, we say spectacles. Scissors, jeans, a pair of trousers, oats. These are the words which we always use them in plural form. There is no singular word for these words. So students, let's revise. I hope you have understood this topic, singular and plural. Let us revise. These are the examples of singular and plural, like girl, girls, apple, apples, camera, cameras, monkey, monkeys. Here we have not removed Y because before Y there is a vowel. If there is a consonant, only then we remove Y. Okay, understood? Dose, doses, glass, glasses, bush, bushes, beach, beaches, fox, foxes, ditch, ditches. Here we have used es to make them plural. Now these are the examples of where we have to remove y because before y there is a consonant. Puppy, puppies, kitty, kitties, daisy, daisies, baby, babies, army, armies. Here we have removed y to make them plural and we have used IES because before y there is a consonant. Can you make these words nouns plural like mouse? What will be the example of mouse? Think about it. Okay, let me tell you the answers like mouse, mice, memo, memos, shelf, shelves, leaf, leaves, child, children. One more example for you like thief, woman, fish, photo, die. And the example answers of these are thieves, women, fish. There is no change in fish and photos and dice. You play Ludo? So singular of dice is die and dice is plural. So sometimes we make so many mistakes like for child the answer is children, but sometimes what you do, you write childs. So that is not correct. Like baby, baby, the correct answer is babies. We have to remove y. Okay, BABIES. And the plural of man is men, not mans. Okay, and the plural of woman is women, not womans. So don't get confused, bache. Okay, the plural of woman is women, not womans. Boy, boys, not BOIES. Why? Because before Y there is a vowel. So we will not remove Y. We will use S to make it plural. Girl, girls. Understood? I hope now your concepts are clear for the singular and plural. So that was all for your topic singular and plural. Thank you children. Thank you.